In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize videos in Google Drive. We'll go through a simple and straightforward process to ensure your videos are neatly organized, making it easier for you to access and share them whenever you need. Let's dive in. Firstly, you'll need to head over to the Google Drive website and log into your account. If you're not already signed in, just enter your email and password, and you'll be good to go. Now, once you're on the main Google Drive page, you'll see a button labeled New on the left-hand side. Go ahead and click it. This button is your gateway to creating new files, folders, and more within Drive. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears after clicking New, select New Folder. It's time to give your new folder a name. Think of a name that's both meaningful and descriptive. This will help you quickly understand what type of content you'll find within the folder later on. For example, if you're uploading videos from your recent trips, you might want to name it Travel Videos. After you've settled on a name, click on the Create button. This action will generate your new folder within Google Drive, and you'll be able to see it appear in your list of files and folders. Now it's time to put videos into this folder. Navigate to your newly created folder by clicking on it. You'll be directed inside the empty folder. The next step involves uploading files from your computer. To do this, click on the New button once more. This time, choose File Upload from the drop-down menu. A File Picker dialog box will appear, allowing you to browse files on your computer. Find the video file you wish to upload. Once you've found it, click on it to select it. With your file selected, click the Open button in the dialog box. This will commence the upload process, and you'll soon see your video file appear within the folder in Google Drive. There you have it. You've successfully organized your video files within Google Drive by creating a new folder and uploading your files directly into it. This process can be repeated to create additional folders for other categories of videos, ensuring everything is neatly stored right where you want it. This organization not only helps keep your drive tidy, but also enhances your ability to find and share your files efficiently. Thanks for watching today's tutorial on how to organize videos in Google Drive. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks, and feel free